Hola! Today we're traveling to the Canary Islands for a traditional, very simple and delicious and colorful dish. It's called PAPAS Arrugadas, which means wrinkly baby potatoes with sauce. So if you're ready, let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description below. First of all, we're going to put our baby potatoes in a pressure cooker. We're going to add half a lemon and some rock salt. Now we're going to cover 3/4 of the potatoes. Do not cover it all. We'll leave it for 15 minutes approximately until it's soft enough, but we don't want a puree. I'll see you in 15 minutes. Now we're going to make the sauces. The first one is called MOJO PICON or MOJO ROJO, which is the red one. We're going to add some roast peppers, the red type. We're going to add some vinegar, garlic at taste, some cumin, and some sweet paprika, although you can make it hot. That depends on your taste. Now we're going to blend it all together. There's just a thing I forgot about. Yes, that's a pinch of salt. And now we're gonna do like with mayo, and we're going to be adding our olive oil, or you can use vegetable oil or some other type, but little by little, so it blends together nicely. Our red sauce, MOJO PICON, is ready. Now we're gonna follow a very similar recipe for the second one, the green one. The variation here is that we're going to use some fresh green peppers. We're going to add some parsley. We're going to add garlic. We're going to add some cumin. Cilantro here is optional if you want to give it a punch. And we're going to add some salt. And vinegar, of course. Once again, we blend it all together nicely. It looks a bit like pesto sauce. Now it's time to gradually add our olive oil. Same technique, slowly, and don't stop with the blender. So being patient, in a couple of minutes you will have your green sauce MOJO VERDE ready. Now it's time to open our pressure cooker. Oh, it's really hot. Time for testing. Now we're going to discard all the remaining water, and just with the remains of the salt, we're going to give it a little shake so it gets wrinkly. The name of this dish is Arrugadas, which means wrinkly. That's how you want to have your potatoes. A really colorful dip combination. Now they're ready. Let's see how it tastes. Let me go with the red one first. And it's delicious. Now I'm gonna try the green one. Let's see. That's a part in my mouth. Awesome. So please, if you like our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit like and leave a comment. What kind of recipe do you want us to show you next? Till the next video. Buen provecho. Enjoy your meal. Adios.